know that we all have already learned this lesson earlier also, but now in understanding sectors 2, we are going to learn something new about this. So before starting the lesson, I have a question from you all. That how many of your parents want you all to become an officer or a clerk in government sector?
Ma'am, my mother, my father, my brother.
So they say you that you should join government jobs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you all know Indian parents somewhere keep on telling that you should join government job, you should join government job. Like they say that yes, government job is a good opportunity.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you share the pros and cons of government job? Do you know the meaning of pros and cons, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the meaning of pros?
Ma'am, advantage and disadvantage.
Yes, the meaning of pros is advantage and the meaning of cons is disadvantage. So what are you going to share?
Ma'am, pros, advantage and cons, disadvantages of government and private job.
No, you are going to share the pros and cons only for government jobs.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you are going to share the pros and cons of government job. Yes, who would like to share first? Ruma, would you like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Ma'am, so first I would like to share about government pros of government job. So there we have job security.
Okay.
Government position often provides stable employment with less risk of layoffs.
Job security.
And second is benefits. They typically offers comprehensive benefit including health insurance, retirement plan, and paid leave.
Benefits like
Leave and health insurance,
insurance,
retirement plans.
retirement plans.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and the third point is work-life balance. Like if we are doing government jobs, so in many government jobs, there we have flexibility and we have a number of hours that we have to work 10 to 5 and there we get vacation policies also.
So holidays also.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are n number of pros which you shared. Can you please clap for her? She has done very interesting job. She has research about government job, I think. So are you interested in government job?
Yes, ma'am, I am interested.
Okay, and that is why you know about the pros. So let's listen to cons also. Vandana, would you like to share some cons of government job?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Ma'am, as Ruma shared that there we have so many things to make our future bright, but I think there are some cons of government job is limited salary growth.
Limited salary growth.
Yes.
And why do you think so?
Ma'am, pay scale may be lower compared to private sector job with limited opportunities for raises.
Can you please repeat your point, dear?
Limited salary growth.
Okay, so you mean to say that if they increase the salary or if they you get an increment, it is low or it is less?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next point.
There we have less flexibility. Like government role may have strict job descriptions and less room for creativity or innovation.
So they have very less space for renovation. So I can say that they have some rules and regulation which they are following from past periods.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice point. Next.
And ma'am, this is the third and but very important, political influence.
Political influence.
Yes.
That is one benchmark.
Yes, job security can sometimes be affected by changes in political leadership or policies.
Yes. And I have seen in news also that because of being honest or too much honest, because of not following the orders of higher department, they may get demotions or
Yes,
any
ma'am.
kind of letters. Yes. Next, please.
That's it.
Okay, fine. So there are many pros of government jobs, and on the other hand, we have cons also. So, okay. So if we go for government jobs, we are not getting only good things towards us. Somewhere we are also getting with some things which are negative, or it may cause any problem for you people. Fine. So as we have learned about some pros and cons, and we also talked about one word which is related to flexibility in pros and cons. So there are some more words which we can understand for using it in pros and cons, or for defining it in a better way. So there are 3 words. How many words are there?
3 words.
And where can you find those 3 words?
In SAB.
Yes, amazing job. So please open your SABs. There are 3 words. Try to understand it. So 3 words are there. First of all, you will read that, understand it, and after that you are going to frame sentences. What are you going to do?
We are going to read it, understand it, and frame sentences.
Yes, you need to frame sentences using all those 3 words. And how much time do you have? You have 5 minutes for it.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, please complete it. Fine. I hope that you all have written the sentences in your notebooks. Is it done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So now let's listen to the answers, whatever you framed in your notebooks. So who would like to share the first sentence, which is related to flexibility?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can share, Shivani. Please share.
Ma'am, the flexibility of the work schedule allowed employees to balance their personal and professional life more effectively.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing it. Wonderful job. Next, would you like to share the meaning of effect? Would you like to share the sentence using initiative?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, taking the initiative to start new project can demonstrate leadership quality and drive within a team.
Okay, that's really amazing. You people are creating a wonderful sentences. Next.
Ma'am, the last one is negotiate,
Yes.
and it is important to negotiate a fair salary before accepting a job offer.
So you linked the word negotiate with jobs. Amazing. Great job, everyone. So let's move ahead. Right now we just discussed pros and cons of government job, and before selecting any of the sector, we need to understand the importance of that sector, and we need to keep in mind some points which are important to select any sector, either government or private. For that we have a discussion on those points which is there in your SRB part B. Can you please check it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move ahead for that. So how many points are there?
Ma'am, there are 5 points.
Yes, so there are 5 points. I will divide you all into 5 groups. How many groups will be there?
5 groups.
Can you please speak in full sentence?
Ma'am, there will be 5 groups.
Yes, thank you so much for sharing it. And one group is going to discuss 1 point. How many points will be discussed by one group?
1 point.
One group. One point. And after that you need to prepare a kind of
Role play.
yes, role play for the presentation of that point.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So let me divide you into groups. Can you please say 1,
1,
2,
3,
3? Group 1. Can you please say 1,
1, 2,
2,
3,
3? Group 2.
1, 2, 3.
Group 3.